Will scored.
Yay!
Annie scored.
Whoa!
Good stop, Annie. Go get it.
Whoa! Got it.
Due to their lack of
And
size, they have to grab the puck every now and then, but
yay!
they really like this game. Good stop, Will.
Whoa! I stopped
Hit it back to him, Annie. Hit it back.
Got him. Ready, set, go.
Good try. Just hit it where it is, Will.
I hit it.
Just hit it where it is. Hit it again.
Yay! I hit.
Hit it back. Oh, good try. Hit it again.
I hit it. I hit it.
You guys like this game, huh? You guys know what this game is called?
What?
It's called air hockey.
Oh. Yay! Two. I hit it. Whoa, I made it. Give it back to me. It's been dog doing you.
It's because the sun's coming in and out.
Three. The sun is coming out the wind fight. Got it. Let's hit it. Three.
Will scored.
Yay!